Hi, welcome to MobilBid Learn, silent auction tutorials, complete auction setup and management training sessions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add patrons to your auction. There are 3 ways to add patrons to the system. 1 by 1, bulk uploading and self-sign-up. The best and easiest way to add patrons is by self-sign-up. Simply instruct guests to text the phone number shown on your dashboard or visit the URL on their smartphone. To add patrons one at a time, click on Patrons. Then click the plus icon. Now you can fill in the information for each person. You can leave bidder number and client database identifier blank. Check the desired boxes. We recommend the current settings. And click Create Patron when done to save. Here are the details of the patron you just created. You can use the same process to create as many patrons as you wish. The third way to add patrons is by bulk uploading. Go back to the patron screen by clicking on Patrons. Click the Account menu button and select Contact Manager. From here, click on the Import button. You are now on the new Patron Import screen. This page explains how to create a file to properly import a database of patrons. Click on Download Sample to get a sample spreadsheet. When ready to import, click on Choose File and select your file. And then click Create Patron Import button. We have now walked through all 3 methods of adding patrons. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to start your auction.